How to delete old projects in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the old projects in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application and you can see there is a list of my old projects. And if I am getting rid of these old projects and I want to delete those projects, so I can just simply tap right here on the three dots at the front of that project. After that, you can see the delete option